Alright, so students have been asking for a few more examples of dimensional analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and do another one in this video. Let's go ahead and do number 4. Right? Because there's 2 conversions. So let's start with 65 kilometers per hour. Remember, we need to end up with meters per second. We're not there yet. I'm going to draw my little tracks. Alright, so you can choose whatever to get rid of first. I want to get rid of the kilometers first, but up to you. Okay? So remember, we always go back to our base unit. So let's say we have meters here, right? So I need to get rid of kilometers. And since meters is the base unit, we only have to do one conversion for this kilometer. Okay? So we have kilometers up here and meters up here. Cross off the kms. And now we have meters on top, which is good. Now the hard part for everyone is to kind of like figure out what goes in where. I like to always put the 1 next to the prefix. You see how this is our base unit, the m? K would be our prefix. So I'm going to choose to put the 1 here. Now if we look at that chart, kilometers, I'm going to even write this. It's bigger, and up here is going to be smaller. Okay? Alright, so we got to find kilo. So kilometer is bigger. It's 1,000, it's 1,000 times. 1,000 times a meter. So I'm going to put 10 to the 3, or you can even write 1,000 if you want. Okay? We're done with the top. Now we need the seconds on the bottom. But this says hours. We need to get rid of this bad boy, right? So we get rid of hours by putting an hour up here. And we're going to convert it to... We could do straight to seconds. If you're comfortable with that, that's fine. But I'm going to go to minutes first. So 1 hour. And there's 60 minutes. But we're not done yet. It's seconds, right? So I'm going to put minutes up here. Right? Because minutes needs to cancel with minutes. And seconds on the bottom. Cancel, cancel. But now we need to see if it lines up correctly. So we can do 1 minute up here. And 60 seconds down here. Now pause. Ask yourself, does it make sense? Is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds? Yeah, it is. Is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes? Yeah, it is. Is this correct? This is the tricky one. This is where everyone gets tripped up. Is 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the 3 meters? Yeah, right? So imagine this is really big and this is really small. They're playing tug of war, right? Meters is, I don't know, a 10-year-old. Kilometers is a high schooler, right? Let's just say you're 18, 17, 18, right? About to graduate. So if they're playing tug of war, we need more of the small one than the big one. Okay? So one large kid or young adult can pull 3 small children, right? So this looks okay. You can do checks like that or whatever we talked about in class. Just make sure that if this unit is smaller, there's more of it. Okay? Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and enter this into a calculator. So I like to hit enter after every single time. So we're going to do 65. Okay? Multiplied by 10 to the power, remember the hat, 3. Hit enter. Then you don't need to multiply by 1. Now we do each one and hit enter. That's how I like to do it. It's the safest way to do it. So first, if you hit divide, you see how it says answer? It's just going to pull this answer down. So now we're going to divide by 60. Enter. Okay? And now we do the last one. Divide by 60. Enter. And that should be your answer. So let me go ahead and write that down. 18.06. Okay.